October 1st. It's a beautiful day, combining beans again. These beans were planted on May 3rd. Right here they're going 70 bushels per acre, 9% moisture. It'd be nice if they're closer to 13, but the straw is so tough that we couldn't have combined them any sooner. These are a 2.0 maturity beans, so they're fairly early. The last field we finished, which was about 50 acres, yielded 66 bushels an acre across the scales. Best crop we've ever had. This field is right at 200 acres in size, the biggest bean field we've got. And we should be done by tomorrow night here.